first lessons with students too, like they sit in the driver's seat right away, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, like what I do on the first hour is I watch you drive for the first 5-10 minutes or so, just so I know where you're at. And then we stay on the back roads, and if someone is like not ready for the back roads, then we'll go to a parking lot and do figure eights, just so they get used to the car and the turning radius and all that. Are you getting dropped off on Danforth again? Okay.
Is it okay?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's perfect. Gives us a bit more time.
Yeah.
So we'll
For
back
the
it.
time we missed.
We'll back it out to the. So the back end goes to the right, and we'll head out that way. Signal right. Keep your wheels straight. So you want the front left corner to clear his back bumper. Once your front, no, not yet. See the front left corner? That's way out there. If you turn it now, you're going to hit the car. So you just got to a little bit further. There you go. And keep the car in motion. There. Okay, so we'll head out to the lights. Just mental note of the pedestrian over there. Then we're going to turn left at the lights. There's your yellow line over there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's perfectly okay to slip in here beside this thing. Female trucker. Female trucker. Right on.
Just like Tanya.
Yeah, it's good to see that, you know. Like back in my day, there was rare to see the females driving transports. And go ahead and make your right lane change here. Managing your speed at 50. And we're going to go straight at the lights. So usually the orange lights will flash, right? And just to give you a clue that the light may turn yellow, but for some reason for the last couple days now, they've been staying solid. I don't know, maybe they're not working or something. When it's safe and possible, we'll go ahead and make a left lane change. And a left turn at the lights. Excellent. When we get the green light and you advance out, take control of the intersection, what you want to do, just as a rule of thumb, so you don't go too far out, the last line of the crosswalk, line it up somewhere like around your shoulder, so you don't go too far out that way.
Okay.
There you go. See the line right there? So approximately here. It's just a good rule of thumb, so you don't go too far out, but you're far enough in, and you're holding your wheels perfectly straight. Yeah, very nice. Good. Then we'll make the first left turn up there again.
Ooh. Felt that.
Came in a little too quick, right?
Yeah.
You just got to slow it down a bit before the corner. And so you can move over to the left a little bit where there's a little more, it's packed down a little bit. Okay, we'll make the first right turn here, McAllister. So a little slower. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to turn left at the stop sign. We're going to go up to the three-way intersection. We'll make a left turn there. Right to the edge. Just right past the stop sign here.
But there's a sidewalk.
Oh, okay. Well, there's none on this side though, right?
Oh.
So you always go with what's on the same side as your stop
Oh.
sign. You can ignore what's on the left because it's not connected to anything on this side.
Oh, okay.
Now we'll go up to the traffic lights up there. Perfect. It's my favorite time of year to drive.
Why?
Oh, I love it. It's just so much more fun.
Left turn, you said?
The lights, yeah, we'll turn left. So that's pretty good too, where he's stopping, he's keeping his wheels straight. He could go a little bit further out so that the last line of the white line is at his shoulder, but that's okay. It's just like a general rule of thumb there.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up for the heart of shame. I wish
Good, so I saw you scanning that traffic, making sure it was slowing down before proceeding. Don't forget your signal. And we're gonna make a right turn again. The Reynolds sign. Nice appropriate speed. So we'll go and do a 3-point turn again. We'll right turn here after the fire hydrant. Sure, yep, sounds good. Okay, so you put your right signal on, you check your rear view mirror, I think, but you forgot to check your right blind spot.
Shoot! Ugh. Okay.
All the way to the left. There you go. Nice. Excellent. There you go. You got your 3-point turn. Just remember to check that blind spot before you pull over. Yes. They just want to see that you're in the habit of checking. Right turn over here. You could check that blind spot 100 times and nothing will be there. It's that one time you forget. That's when something might be there. You know, it's happened to me when I first started driving. You know, I kept forgetting to check it, and it was like, oh, one time, man, we're gonna park it here. There was something in my blind spot. It spooked the hell out of me. After that, I was always checking the blind spot. Excellent. Okay, let's take off. Get into a routine here. Straighten the wheels out first. Step 1. Right there, good. And a right turn. So you've got your hill parking and your 3-point turn down now. Those are the 2 maneuvers that they're more than likely going to ask you to do. So when you're out practicing before your road test, just make sure you really practice those 2 things for sure, as well as the reverse parking and forward parking too. That's what we're going to do next, actually. We'll go back to Princess Auto and we'll do a couple of stall parking. We'll make a right turn here. And then straight at the stop sign. Nice, you're stopping at the edge. And you're not hesitating anymore either. You're just waiting for that, 3 second gap. So it's kick back, check left, check right. Nice comfortable speed for the back road here.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems, I wish I knew.